Shark Tank's Kevin O'Leary just posted a job requirement that needs a time machine. 25 hours a day, 8 days a week. Kevin O'Leary, Mr. Wonderful, says he only hires people who will work 25 hours a day, 8 days a week. Quick math, that's 200 hours a week. The planet only contains 168. He said it in a viral clip this week as his standard for work ethic. Translation, the only people he'll hire are folks who outperform the clock in physics. At 200 hours, you'd blow past the 40-hour full-time mark by 160 hours. The clip didn't mention pay, benefits, or wormholes. Online, people replied, "Cool, then pay 2 years of salary every year," which is also not a real number. Others asked when he last worked a full day. The quote did lapse on social media, his schedule did not. Reminder, 8 days a week is a Beatles song, not a scheduling app. Even if you never sleep, you only get 168. To hit 200, HR must install a bonus weekday called Tuesday. If your hiring plan needs extra days installed, it's not a plan. It's calendar fanfic with unpaid overtime. Work smarter, not in a dimension that doesn't exist.